Hi, welcome back to edtech. Today I'll be continuing with my series on JavaScript functions with parameters. Okay, so let's get started. Let's consider a function called 10 times. The name of the function is 10 times, function 10 times, and the parameter is num. Sorry about that. Just a typo. Okay. Then what the parameter is a number or num, whatever you call it. Return num times 20. Come out of the curly brackets, console log. The name of the function that we called is 10 times. So console log. Okay, check. Undefined. Why? Because I forgot to mention the parameter here. Okay, so 5 is my parameter for the console log for calling this function. Check the result. 100. Correct. Num times 20. So if I consider my num value to be 5, num times 20 I need to return. If I consider my parameter as 5, what happens? 5 times 20, result should be 100, right? That's the result. So this is one of the ways of using a function with parameter and calculating numbers, etc. Okay, let's take another example. Let's say I want to calculate the length of a string. Okay, so let me call a function. Let me allocate this function called new string to a variable like I did earlier. Variable my. You're allowed to use underscore in naming variables and functions. My variable called my string allocated to a function which is called allocated to a function with a parameter, let's say new string. So in this case you're using new string as a parameter. What do you want to return? You want to return, or rather you want this task to be done. You want a task to be done which is calculate the new string's length. Dot length. So to calculate the length you have to put dot length, come out of the curly brackets, allocate a variable called variable result. This I've mentioned earlier. This is the norm to do. Okay, what was the name of your variable? My string, right? My string. And what parameter do you want to give for this result? Okay, you do say, let's say you want to calculate the length of the string for, let's say, hello world. How do you do? Forgot the open and close, inverted. Right. Didn't give the console, forgot to call the console. Go down, console log, result. Right. Now look at the result. Oh, should be outside. 26. Why? Because you need to calculate from hello until the question mark, including the spaces. So starting from starting from H, start counting 1. You want to count the number of the words. That is the length of the string, right? In the sentence. So H, 1, 2, H is 1, E is 2, and so on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Until hello 5, then space 6. World will be 2, 3, 4, 5 again. So 5 plus 1, 6 plus 5, 11. Exclamation mark 12. Space. Okay, then how? 3 words. 15 space 16 do. 17 18 space 19 3 19 plus 3 22 space 23 do. 24 25 question mark 1 26. So that's how you got the 26. I hope you understood. I'll be including the code in the description below, so watch out for it. And to keep you enlightened about more such interesting JavaScript features and lessons, you need to subscribe so that you don't miss out on any one of my tutorials. Stay safe, stay at home, keep learning JavaScript, keep learning my tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe.